I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jessica with the K, and I'm back with a quick little video. So I had this frontal wig laying around and I really wanted a sew-in look, but I was not about to wear a frontal because I was going to be traveling and I was not about to be laying a frontal every day that I traveled. So I had this frontal laying around and I turned it into a U-part wig. But before we get into this video, I would like to shout out the sponsor, Phase-In. They sent me this straightener, and this straightener, oh my god, I fell in love with it immediately. It is an ionic one-pass styling iron, and really it only takes one pass, and it is beautiful. I was really shocked at how fast it started heating up. I even wanted to test it myself and burnt my hand a little bit. I don't know what I was thinking, but I had a silk press after I filmed this video, and I wanted it to last a little bit longer because my work schedule got a little hectic, and you know how them roots be getting. So when I use this straightener, it really helped keep the longevity of my silk press. And this is just as good as the premium irons out there, the ion irons. I loved it. Anyway, back to the video. So I really did a quick little braid down. If you don't know how to braid your hair, as a natural girly, as any girly, you need to learn how to braid your hair. That is gonna be the best thing for you. You're gonna have the best superpowers once you learn how to braid your hair, because then you can do just random things like I did with this wig, because really the foundation of everything is braiding your hair down and knowing how to braid your hair. So I left out a few of the edges, just a little bit. You do not need a lot, because I just wanted to hide where the frontal was going to be when I put the clips on the frontal. I did not show in this video me putting the clips on the frontal, but I did sew two where I splitted the front, as you can see right here, and then I put two on the side, where right here on the side, so that it will hold down. The wig already had clips and things in the back, so I was able to just use a normal wig clip in the back that was already on this wig. You do need to leave out some leave out. This leave out in this video is actually too much. It was a bit too much. It still worked, but for future times that I've done this, I have left out a lot less leave out, because you really don't need that much to cover the U part, and it looks extremely natural the less leave out that you leave out. So you need to have enough to cover where the U part is, but you don't need as much as I had here. And my hair is thick, so even this was like a lot, and it looks like a lot. So make sure that you leave out a little bit less. But I am a burn it down girly too, so if you are not a burn it down girly, and y'all should know this about me by now, that I'm gonna put the heat on the hair, okay? I'm gonna put the heat on the hair, and I'm gonna lay it down. And I'm thankful that my hair is strong, because it always curls right back up, and especially since I've gotten a haircut, my hair looks very healthy now, except the ends are still a little bit too straight, but that will just grow out. But I was starting to feel myself, y'all, because I was like, oh, it's looking like a sew-in for real. I did the dang thing. And no hairstyle is complete without layers. So you want the big bouncy curls, and I'm going to show you how to get those when you put the rollers in or the flexi rods in. But what's going to give you the big layered bouncy curls is by cutting layers into the hair. If y'all want a layers cutting video, please let me know and I can then make one. But the layers is really what we're going to make the hairstyle. So I rolled them up, then I put in my bonnet, and I went to bed. The next day, got real cute, did my makeup. I was headed to the JFK Museum this day, and I knew I was going to take some pictures and be cute. So I had to make sure that everything was on point, and it was. And I'm falling in love with flexi rods because they're just so simple. And the curls last so much longer. I hate that it's taken me so long to learn this. I've tried flexi rods in the past and they were just horrible. But these, oh my god. And I wore them when I was on the plane when I went to Boston. And this lady, when I was getting on the plane, she was like, oh my god, your hair is going to be so beautiful when you take those out. And I was like, girl, I know. But they are beautiful. So I also, you know, burn it down, back to being a burn it down girl. I sprayed some got to be glue on the top because the top was a little too George Washington to me. It was a little too high. So I needed to take my high comb and lay it down. But your girl was real cute and ready to go on. Bye, y'all.